We're on Primeval Whirl. See? That's Micah Nelson. Me.
Let's do this, bitch.
See?
Just a bunch of pussies. That's nice.
It's Chester here, reminding you for your safety. Be sure to watch your children and don't pick up any hitchhiking dinosaurs. Pasos en cuidado, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina de tiempo.
Cut the shit off. Wow, this is so much fun. Ew. Look out there, Ben. This is hard. Wow! Help! I'm gonna have cataracts. This is not a fun ride. Mama, is that you? This hurts. This hurts. Oh, Mama. Jeez, Lily. Ow! They should call this like insurance capital ride. Ow! That's out. Wow!
Woohoo!
Why are we spinning like this?
Wow! I know!
Because we're uneven.
We're uneven.
Stop looking at me.
Hi. Maybe this will be my first. Woohoo! We're done.
I need help.